about her hair, and she'll tell you about her life.
My name is Angelise Hadley, and I'm an MBA student at Macomb School of Business.
Yeah, so I'm working on EmbraceBox, which is a do-it-yourself hair product subscription box for little girls with curly hair. So every month we send all of the raw ingredients for them to be able to create their own hair product. So it's been really fun so far. Started about a year ago, and
Many young girls with curly hair lack the knowledge of how to properly care for their curls and the confidence to embrace their natural texture, going against existing beauty standards.
So growing up, I had a really hard time embracing my natural texture. I had experienced all the same pain points that my target market is going through themselves. So when thinking about how do I change that moving forward, I wanted hair care to be something fun, and that's something that little girls look forward to doing. So I thought about how do I make that something interactive and engaging that they would look forward to doing every month.
Hi everyone! So today we're making a lavender coconut shampoo. It's super
I kind of
easy.
just dove in. I have a science background, and I made a MVP, minimum viable product, and tested it with friends and family, and then with their feedback, that's kind of how it evolved. It took a whole year for me to launch the product and the website. The whole process was kind of clunky, and I felt like I was tripping over myself because I just didn't know what I was doing with regards to business. So that really prompted my decision to move forward with getting an MBA, because through the resources available at Macombs and the Austin startup scene, I'm really getting to build my skill set so that when I'm able to focus on EmbraceBox full time, I'll be on a way better off foot than I was beforehand.
How have you been able to balance it with going to school full time? Because I know you have one more year.
yeah, it's been hard when things have gotten crazy. My sisters run my social media for me.
Oh, that's awesome.
And so like it's just been, I've had a lot of support.
Yeah.
It's just been really
I chose to bootstrap it. I wanted to get as far as possible using my own funds, and then to get to the next level, I do think I'm going to need some funding. My biggest challenge is definitely just getting the name out there, especially in the hair care space. There are so many names. So sometimes it is hard to compete against a lot of the big brands, but I feel like that's a really fun challenge, and my passion is what has driven me forward thus far and will continue to grow the company.